Hello guys, it's your guy Viera. Welcome back to my new tutorial. In this tutorial guys, we are going to be designing the VMS project 7. Here is the VMS project 7. Now, in order to target this project, you want to make sure that you are going to be using Revolve method, because Revolve method makes your drawing more fast. So guys, we are simply going to divide this drawing into half. Now, when we are allocating the diameter dimension, we want to make sure that we divide all our diameter by 2. So we aren't going to insert 60, but rather we are going to insert 30 mm. Over here, we are going to insert 35 mm and so on. Speaking about the slot is going to be done later on. We are going to take care of the slot later when we are done with the main part. Okay, let's dive into this. New part. Sketch, front view. I want to make sure that I'm working in millimeter. Line command. Just make sure the line should be straight. Okay. Now, as per the drawing, we got 60 mm, but remember we have to divide by 2, so divided by 2. Okay, fine. The length equally is 30 mm. Okay, line, you go slightly upward and then straight. Dimension 70 divided by 2 with a length of 15 mm. Line command, we're gonna go downward, then straight. Smart dimension. Okay, from here to the center, it should be 40 mm divided by 2 with a length of 10 mm. Line, when I move upward with a straight line. Smart dimension, when I make sure that the diameter to the center should be 60 mm divided by 2. Okay, with a length of 10 mm. Oh, fine. Line command, you want to go downward, then straight. Smart dimension, so the diameter over here should be 35 divided by 2. Okay, as for now, I'm not going to insert the length for this particular part. Line, I'm going to go upward, then straight. Then I'm just going to go downward, making sure that it actually tracks this point, and then just complete it. So it has to be blue. When it's blue, it means the sketch is fully closed. If it isn't blue, then there should be an issue, and you must make sure to check upon this issue. One thing you should know is when your sketch isn't closed, you can't actually extrude this sketch. In order to extrude the sketch, in order to use features like extrude base, revolve base, your sketch must be closed. Smart dimension, from this point to the center, you want to make sure it's 80 mm divided by 2 with a length of 10 mm. Now, the full length as per the drawing is 80. Okay, so as you notice, our sketch is fully defined. So right now we can stop sketch, come under feature, revolve base. Now I'm going to select this line as my revolve axe. When I come under select quantum and then select this point, go for the green check. Okay, all perfect. So this is pretty done. So I want to save my project at this time. So I'm going to use VMS project 7. Go for the save. So guys, looking upon the drawing, we got a circle over here of diameter 50 mm. It's been extruded up to this surface. Okay, now what you should know is the distance of this surface is actually 30 mm. So we are going to draw a circle of 50 mm and we're going to extrude cut by 30 mm. Select surface, sketch, circle, Smart dimension 50 mm, feature extrude cut by 30 mm. So you want to select this point to sketch. Just gonna draw center lines. Okay, construction. We want to put a hole over here, making sure that the distance between the hole and the center should be 27 mm. And then this hole should be of diameter 2.0 and extruded by 0.1. So point, smart dimension over here, 27. Okay, it's fully defined. Stop sketch, hole wizard, simple hole. Standard should be metric, type should be drill size. Okay, size 2.0 mm, no constop size. Now the drilling blind, and it should be drilled by 0.1 as per drawing specification. Okay, thing all fine. Position, 3D sketch. You want to select this point, go for the green check. So next thing is come under circular pattern. Good. You want to select this circle over here. Now the direction should be this point, and as per the drawing it's 6. There are 6 holes, so 6 already inserted, and you take equal spacing. Go for the green check. Okay, now I'm just gonna save my project. Looking upon section A, this is section A, guys. We got a slot of distance 15 mm with radius of 3. Now this 0.3 is actually the chamfer, so we'll do this at last. And we are going to extrude the slope up to the surface, that is up to the next circle. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so guys, one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come under reference geometry. I'm going to select plane. You want to make sure you take front. I'm going to flip this, and I'm going to maintain the 30. Remember that the distance from this center to this point exactly is 30. The distance from the center to this particular point is 30. So we are going to continue with 30 mm. We go for the green check. Okay, with the plane selected, sketch. I'm gonna draw reference lines. Okay, construction. Construction. So slot using this point, smart dimension 15 mm, radius of 3 mm, feature extrude cut. So I'm gonna change direction, and I'm gonna take, we got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 6 slots. So we have to use pattern, circular pattern, circular pattern. Select the slot. Okay. Direction, this circle. Making sure that this should be 6. All good. Equal spacing. Fine. Okay. All perfect. So now we're gonna insert the chamfers. Chamfer. So as per the drawing, the chamfer is 0.3. So I'm going to take 0.3. You want to make sure that you select this point. Okay, let me just take full preview. Okay, so you want to make sure that you equally select the chamfer downward to this. Some of them are already selected. Go for the green check. All perfect. Okay. So we are using aluminium 6061. You're gonna insert that too. Material. Right click, edit material. So you want to search 61 aluminium TS, and then you have to apply. Okay, just by clicking on the sketch or right clicking, you could hide it. Okay, or fine. Okay guys, with this we are actually done with the VMS project 7. So guys, in the next tutorial we are going to be generating the M&G code required for VMS project 7. So guys, kindly keep subscribing, liking and sharing my video. Thanks a lot. Have a nice